Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you import files in the organizer, links to those files are stored in a catalog which points to the place on your computer's hard drive where the files are saved. The catalog also stores other information you have entered about those images. Most people use this single catalog to store all of their images within the organizer. However, Elements also let you create multiple catalogs if needed. To create a new catalog, open the Catalog Manager dialog box in the organizer by selecting File, Manage Catalogs from the menu bar. Click the New button and type a name for the new catalog into the file name field shown. To install the free music files that come with Elements, check the Import Free Music into this catalog checkbox. Then click the OK button. Then import the desired media files as usual. After you have created different catalogs, you can switch between them by selecting File, Manage Catalogs from the menu bar to open the Catalog Manager dialog box. Select the catalog to view within the Catalog section by clicking it, and then clicking the Open button at the bottom of the dialog box to display the selected catalog in the organizer window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.